Spill burp. Spill burp.
Make your choice. Spill, burp, live, die. The only way out is to have something exit your mouth.
Oh. Anytime now. I don't want to sit here half an hour fucking waiting for the video to load. Oh, stop moving around.
I'm sorry.
Make it burp. Hey.
Good kill.
Now, spew would be nice.
No. You don't want it to spew.
Oh, no, but it looked cool in the video.
I was holding her or something and she spewed and I saw a little bit on my jumper and I'm like, oh, that's not much. Then I handed her over, it was like...
How much was it? Bradley's now on YouTube. You got a photo taken. Hello!